2014 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, automatic stability control, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, climate control, fog lamps, OnStar 1-year safe and sound service, trip odometer, tilt steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.